Today, I will be demonstrating how to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon. Within this lesson, I will show how to calculate the sum of interior angles of regular and irregular polygons and the processes and formulas to do it. But first, we need to see this triangle. Normally, to solve this triangle, we use the angles A, B, and C, add them together to get 180 degrees. And this will go for every triangle. However, if we use this formula, we will get the same answer, but it'll show us how to use it on other polygons. The 3 within it comes from the number of angles, which is what the n is within the formula. So when using a pentagon, such as this, we can use the formula 5 minus 2 times 180 for a sum of 540. The way this formula works is that you can draw 3 triangles within this pentagon. 2 angles will not be used, however, though, which is where the minus 2 comes from. Due to this, 180 degrees will be within each triangle, which is where you can multiply them to get 540 in this case. Now that we know how this formula works, we can use it on other examples, such as this rectangle. We will have to cut this rectangle in half for 2 triangles. Now that we have 2 triangles, we can now have 4 minus 2 times 180 for a sum of 360. This is because each triangle has 180 degrees, and there are 2 angles being used, 2 not, which is where the minus 2 comes from. Now, we will be demonstrating on an irregular polygon. Now, these are a little different. First, you can designate which 2 angles will not be used, such as I have chosen these 2 angles. Now that we know which 2 are not being used, we can designate this angle as a focal point and connect it to every other angle within the polygon. And I will do that now. Now, we can put the formula in, now that we have all of our triangles finished. Now, using the formula, we get a sum of 1,440 degrees of the interior angles within this polygon. Onto our final example, we have this nonagon. Now, using this nonagon, we can create our angles and our triangles, designating these 2 angles as the 2 angles not used within the formula. Now, 7 times 180, and we will get a sum of 1,260. Now that we have all that, we have officially concluded this lesson. Any questions?